Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
When did you wake up this morning?
Today is Sunday and I woke up at 9 o'clock.
Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I have breakfast today.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate some bread and took tea.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea because it reduces my stress.
Did you clean your home?
Yes, I cleaned my home.
Do you have a laptop?
No, I don't have a laptop.
What do you do for living?
I am a school teacher.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
What type of painting do you do?
I like to draw animals and birds on canvas.
Do you help make breakfast?
I help set the table and pour the milk.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get ready for school. I pack my backpack and put on my shoes.
Do you help with any chores around the house before you leave for school?
I help make my bed and take out the trash.
What time do you usually leave for school?
I leave at 8 o'clock a.m.
Do you need help with your homework?
Yes, sometimes I need help.
Who helps you in doing your homework?
My mother helps me in doing my homework.
Do you live in a village or city?
I live in a village.
Can you speak English?
Yes, can speak English fluently.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak English and Spanish.
What is your house number?
Sorry, I cannot tell you my house number.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 111567889.
Do you know who I am?
No, I have no idea.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and 2 sisters.
Where is your brother?
He is sleeping in his bedroom.
What is wrong with him?
He is sick.
What do you like most about your daily routine?
I like to sleep after school.
What do you do to relax at the end of the day?
I usually watch TV or read a book.
Do you have any special bedtime rituals?
Yes, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I read a story with my mom before I go to sleep.
Which is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is cuckoo.
Why do you like this?
Because its song fills the sky.
How are you feeling today?
I am physically fit but mentally disturbed.
Do you have any problems?
Yes, my cat is sick.
What is the name of your cat?
Its name is Smokey.
Did you ever visit to zoo?
Yes, I visited once in my life.
What is your opinion about keeping birds and animals in zoo?
I don't like to keep them in zoo. They should live freely.
Can you please fetch me a glass of water?
Yes, sure. Take this.
What is your favorite phone?
I like to have iPhone.
It is too expensive.
I can give you 50% discount.
It's your turn now.
I am not ready yet.
Why don't you take her to the hospital?
Because she is not ill.
Do you think my answer is right?
No, it's totally wrong. Can you please subscribe to my channel?